Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're doing a quick review about Neuronwriter. Now, Neuronwriter claims to be an easy way to create better ranking content. It's a content optimization tool primarily designed to help users create and optimize content for better search engine rankings, that is SEO. It has AI powered analysis. It has keyword research and analysis. It's good for content design. Yes. So it also has thematic models like NLP. It has real-time guidance. It gives you provides step-by-step suggestions and a content score to help you optimize your writing as you go. So that's content score. Then it also helps with AI image generation, extractor, and auto insertion, which is really good. It has internal linking suggestions, integrations with a lot of other platforms. It has team collaboration, and lastly, it has good pricing. Yes, there are various subscription plans with different features and usage limits. It also has a free trial which you can do today. This is the pricing I mentioned, so it has a lot of pricing as you can see, and then you can also have a free trial by clicking it. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try and let's see how it goes.